Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I will present about my exam at Asia Cyber University. My name Agung Trihono. I'm class MG 102. My lecturer Erni Handayani, MPD. The introduction. In Indonesia, the demand for English proficiency has grown significantly from formal education in schools to online learning platforms and intensive language courses. More people are realizing the benefits of learning English. However, despite this effort, many challenges remain, such as varying teaching methods, access to quality learning material, and the motivation of learners. In this presentation, we will explore the current state of English learning in Indonesia, the challenges learners faced, and the opportunities that come with mastering the language. Hopefully, this discussion will give us better insight into how we can improve English education and encourage more Indonesians to become confident English speakers. The interview with Miss Elvira on English learning in Indonesia. Before we watch the interview with Miss Elvira Rahmania Rahmi, my English mentor, I would like to give you a brief overview of our discussion. In this interview, we explored the importance of learning English and other foreign language, the challenges we might face without language proficiency, the benefits of mastering a foreign language in the digital era, and advice for younger generation to keep improving their language skill. Key discussion point from the interview. Number one, the importance of learning English. English is essential for career growth, education, and global communication. Number two, challenges without language proficiency, limited job opportunities, restricted access to global knowledge, and difficulties in the digital era. Number three, benefits in the digital age, expand career options, improve access to information, cognitive skills. Number four, advice for young learners, practice consistently, use technology, engage in conversation, and stay motivated. Let's see our interview video with Miss Elvira Rahmania Rahmi. My name is Agung Triyono. I'm a student at Asia Cyber University. On this occasion, I will conduct an interview who is also my English mentor. She is Elvira Rahmania Rahmi. She is an English teacher. We will discuss about English language learning and the development. The question number, your opinion, how is a citizen to learn English or other foreign language?
Thank you for the question. Learning English or any other foreign language is very important for Indonesian citizens, especially in this globalized era. English itself is an international language used in various fields such as business, education, technology, and tourism. So, if you access more information, and you can also expand career opportunities from different countries. So, for access to educational resources, research, and international scholarship.
Okay, thank you. The question number two, what future challenges in language?
All right. So, if we do not master a foreign language, such as English, we may face several challenges in the future. The first one, limited job opportunities, as many can speak English or other foreign language, of course. And then the second, difficulty in effective global knowledge, since most scientific journals, research papers, and technological you have to master English, of course. And then the last one, in this digital era, we can make it hard to compete with both academic and professional fields.
Okay, thank you for your answer. The question number three, what benefits digital era?
All right. right now in digital era, mastering a foreign language, especially English, provides you can have wider career opportunities. So as we know today, many international companies seek employees who can communicate. Second one, you can access to global information. So we know that uh, many articles and that sources are published in English. So I think, like I said before, you have to master in English, and you will have a better. Right now, we are commonly believe in social media, and then we can interact not only with Indonesian people but also with other people in other countries, right? So as we know that English is one of it is important to learn English nowadays. And then the last one, you can improve cognitive skills. I mean that learning a foreign language improves your memory and improve critical thinking abilities.
Thank you. What is your suggestion for foreign languages?
All right, thank you for your question. Consistent and enjoy the learning process. So actually, I have several tips. The first one is you have to practice every day. I mean, also we have to speak it every day so we can master Indonesian, right? So it is you have to practice English every day to master it, and then now that can help us to practice it. So don't be shy to learn with friends in practicing if you want. And then the third one, find keep application that you can join forums or language exchange program or practice one. Don't forget to be patient and stay motivated. You know, learning a new language takes time. It can be 1 month. You need to be patient because when we learn English, we learn their culture, their behavior can be hard, and we need to stay motivated and keep improving. When we make mistakes, we can learn better than we than if we are afraid to make mistakes like that. So practice makes perfect. That's all. Thank you, Mr. Agung.
Hopefully, today's discussion can provide the younger generation more courageous in learning English or other languages. My opinion from the interview, very interesting, especially the message conveyed to the younger generation to be able to speak English, to be ready to face future challenges in the current digital era. By being able to speak English, this will make it easier for us to communicate with other people, especially people from other countries and many fields of work such as business, education, tourism, etc. require us an international language. There are many ways or model of English learning today that we can get to help us learn English, one of which is through application, course, etc. To conclude, language is one of the tools for communication. The more language we understand, of course, this will make it easier for us to communicate with other people, but from within the country and abroad. Therefore, it is very important in today's era for us to be able to communicate using English because English is an international language that is used in almost every country. By being able to understand many languages, this will make our relationship wider, and of course, it will make it easier for us to bring ourselves to join the international world. Thank you.